Welcome to the Surgeons in 3D Printing podcast. And today we have a guest. So let us know who it is. Hello, doctor. Please, could you introduce yourself?
Hi, Doc. I am Dr. Snehi Chopra. I am working as a senior consultant at Apollo White Dental, Bangalore.
Wow. And what is the work that you're involved in?
So I've completed my master's in oral medicine and radiology, after which I got an opportunity to work as a general dentist. So my main role is, the clinic administration, patient management, modified dental treatment plans for patients with diabetes, blood pressure, pregnant patients, all of those things.
Amazing. So welcome here from Bangalore. So I think you had a couple of questions. So let's go with the first question.
Yes, Doc. So I would like to know, is 3D printing a good career option?
Okay. For a radiologist?
For a general dentist first, and then I will come to OMR as well. Yeah.
Okay, great. So that was an amazing question, that whether 3D printing is a good career option. Well, the one-word answer is yes, because 3D printing is an amazing career option. And I think it is specifically even better for dentists to go for 3D printing because we are already involved so much with technologies. Dentistry is already such an advancing branch in terms of if we talk about technologies. And so we are the easy adapters of 3D printing. And we can use it for so many applications which come up in our clinics. And you as a radiologist, the entire 3D printing framework, it revolves around radiology. So I think, yes, it is an amazing option, and you need to know a little background about 3D printing and just dive deeper. So, yeah.
Good to know that, Doc. So my next question is, what is the scope of oral and maxillofacial radiologist in 3D printing? The scope of OMR, be more precise.
Yeah. So I think, as I said earlier, that, the entire 3D printing structure starts from radiology. So radiology is kind of a center, and we are working all around scans. So if we talk about one of the applications which is very common, which is the dental implants, you have these people coming up to the radiologist for CBCTs, and the person who is on the other side is the oral radiologist. And you are looking at the CBCTs, and you're going to deliver these CBCTs to the clinics. So I think for you, getting into 3D printing is even easier because we start with scans and then we print. So scan to print, whatever comes in the middle, because you can study the scans so well. So when they are converted, you know what all is there in the scans. If you have to remove the parts which are not needed, you can do it so well. So I think for you as a radiologist, I think 3D printing will be pretty much easier than another, professional. So go ahead if you're really interested. I think just dive deeper, know a little bit more about 3D printing. So are you listening to the podcast? Are you liking the podcast?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
These are all sessions are super enlightening. The way you take it forward, and everybody has a different perspective.
Right.
So all of the sessions are really interesting.
Right. Please do give your review, because that way we come to know what are the kind of questions they come to your mind, and then we can, ask those. At times we are not the people who can answer these questions. It might be the other experts. And so we have these experts we are talking to, and we can ask them these questions. So ultimately we make sure that the questions are answered. So, so thank you for coming up and, getting your questions answered. It's a pleasure to have you.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Snehi. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.